G'day, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another EV Quickie. In this one we're going to look at one of the unintended consequences of the rush to electrify our cars, and ironically it's one that is actually causing more pollution. It doesn't just affect EVs, it affects heavy SUVs as well. But because of the fact that EVs are so heavy due to the battery pack, and they have crazy, insane levels of torque, they are actually contributing to a new pollution source, which is actually becoming quite significant. As this article states, the growing problem electric vehicles are fueling. Australia's love of big four-wheel drives and the growing sales of electric cars are increasing plastic pollution as the nation's tyres grow larger, wear out faster, and, given their synthetic rubber content, shed more microplastics into the environment. Tyres shed about 16% of their weight in their lifetime through wear on the road, and a new report from Tyre Stewardship Australia estimates this causes 100,000 tonnes of tyre rubber fragments to be released into the environment annually. This tyre wear represents approximately 44% of microplastic pollution reaching the oceans worldwide, with heavier vehicles generating proportionally more particles through increased friction and pressure on road surfaces. Chief Executive Lena Goodman said, "We're driving heavier vehicles further and more often, and that comes at a cost. The more tyres we consume, the more we wear into waterways, roadsides and airways. This is a hidden pollution problem that's growing fast." In 2023 to 24, SUVs outsold smaller passenger cars by a factor of 3 to 1 in Australia. SUVs have larger tyres than sedans, while the batteries of electric cars make them heavier than internal combustion engine vehicles of a similar size, causing their tyres to wear out faster and shed more particles onto the road and into the atmosphere. "The greater torque compounds the problem," said Rob Kellman, Chief Executive of the Australian Tyre Recycling Association. "Because EVs are so much faster at takeoff than other cars, they leave more rubber on the road." So there we go. There's always a price to be paid for these kind of massive policy shifts. And I don't think we're really comparing like with like at this stage. I think the government plan to move everyone onto EVs has effectively blinded them to the realities of EVs and their drawbacks. I mean, yes, there are drawbacks with petrol cars, but there are equally drawbacks with EVs. And this one, which is causing, a vast increase in microplastic pollution, is one that we don't hear that much about, but it is, one of the big environmental problems of this day and age, and it's something we should be aware of. All right, that's it for this one. Thanks very much for watching. Really hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye for now.